Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to add excerpt or meta description on WordPress. So if you are new on using WordPress, here if you want to create a new post, click here on the plus icon and then click this post, or you just click here and then click add new. I'm using WordPress 5.9.5 version, and then wait until the adding new post windows is coming up. Now it's already coming up. You just type in your title here and then your post here, and then the meta description or the excerpt, you just click these settings here, the gear icon, and then scroll down on this post tab, and then scroll down. You can find this one, excerpt. Write an excerpt optional. Yes, this is optional, really optional, but Google will read your firstly Google will read this excerpt instead of your body post. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. This is for very simple basic SEO. If you want the expert one, you can put it on the comment below, or you just can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.